Hello guys, welcome to CryptoMalu community. Today I am going to discuss on CoinMarketCap next airdrop for Blockswap network token. We are going to the airdrop page directly. You can see it's an ERC20 token recently listed in CoinMarketCap. So here is the airdrop page. Already 4,600 participants already participated, and 100,000 tokens distributed to 1,000 random winners. There are few tasks to be completed in order to claim this airdrop. First, we should click on the join airdrop page. As usual, the first step is to add the token to the watch list. We have completed it, and the next step is to join the Telegram channel. It's actually redirecting to the CoinMarketCap announcement channel. I had already followed it, so if you guys don't follow, you can directly follow it. And the next step is that we should follow Blockswap team and CoinMarketCap's both Twitter page. But when you click, the link will not load. So better you search the usernames of the both projects. So first I am going to search on Blockswap team's official Twitter. So I find it out and had just followed it. Okay, next I shall follow CoinMarketCap's Twitter account. Okay, I found it out, and I was being already following it. So if you guys don't follow, just follow it. Go back to the airdrop page. Now we can submit our first details, and the first thing is that just we can submit our mail ID. There is no need to register in the Blockswap network platform, because in the website there is no portion for such registration. So just enter your mail ID. The second step, you can take the Ethereum wallet address. You can use Trust Wallet or either SafePal wallet. Okay, we can copy the address. Then paste it in the column provided. The next step is that we should submit our Twitter handle. For it, we should go to the Twitter page. From there, we should go to the home section and our profile section. Just copy our Twitter handle. Go back to the airdrop page, submit it. Now you can type your Telegram username and click on the both confirmation buttons and click on join airdrop button after confirming all your details correct. This finishes the first step of our airdrop. Also, an additional page to be filled is given just below the airdrop. So we should also follow the steps provided in the bottom also. You can just see that some steps we have already followed. and we see that we haven't followed the Facebook and Instagram task. So just follow the Facebook of CoinMarketCap. Just like and follow their account. Come back to the Instagram page. You can follow the Instagram page of CoinMarketCap. Now at the last step, there is an additional Google form provided for the airdrop. You should also complete this Google form too also. You can see an additional channel given. It's directly the link of the Blockswap Network's Telegram announcement channel. So just go and follow it. After going below, you can see the details about the airdrop and the official accounts. Okay, first step, we are providing our mail ID again in the Google form. Okay, going to the bottom, just click I understand and agree by just reading the conditions of the airdrop. The next step is that provide our username. Also, we should join the special Telegram channel for the airdrop. Okay, while joining, you should don't forget to fill the CAPTCHA, otherwise you will be kicked out in 60 seconds. An additional page to be followed also is given, so it's better follow that too. But don't forget to fill the CAPTCHA in this page too, both the pages of CAPTCHA. Okay, go back to the airdrop page and you can type the Telegram username. Now we need to provide the Twitter profile link. In order to we go to the Twitter account. If you are using Chrome browser for Twitter, it will be very easy to collect the link. Go to your account info. Just go to the search bar. Just copy your Twitter profile link. Come back to the page and just submit it. Also, for the airdrop announcement, you should need to just like and retweet the tweet. So just put a tick and just go to the tweet. Just hit on the like button and retweet button. No need to tag any friends, it's especially mentioned there. And the final step is that you should again submit the Ethereum network address from any of your wallet which you have already used in the Google form too, and click on the submit button. You can see that 1000 users will be qualified for the receiving 100 CBSN tokens. For more information, stay tuned to the Telegram group. Thank you and have a nice day.